hangin nga. Where are we going? Carrefour or Lidl? Amor is good. I put three ano, 2 chaqueta. I have too many clothes, Amor. It's very cold, Amor, come here. Hiding ha. I'm too small, Amor. I'm going to fall down na. Grabe mang hangin to eh. Para man akong tangayin ito. Ang hangin. How many degrees to the Amor? 20 yun? 15? It's cold because of the air?
Yeah.
How will you say it in Spanish? How will you say it in Spanish? The
What?
the air.
Aire.
Aire?
Viento.
Ha?
Viento.
Viento? Muy viento?
Muy ventoso.
Muy viento?
Muy ventoso.
Muy ventoso.
Viento.
Mucho viento. Okay. You can do exercise there, Amuro. Naglipara na yung mga dahon. Ala, sige pa. Maya-maya ako nang liparin ito. Chocolate again?
No. Only.
We have too many chocolate pa in the house. Donya. This one, Amuro. Kaha. Roja. Pistachio.
Turrón de pistacho.
I don't like turon. Blando.
Turrón de pistacho.
Turon de pistachio. Pistachio na lang. You buy me pistachio. I like pistachio. We will pay na. Why? We will buy like this? I don't like that, Amor. It's for it. Like that.
It's jamón you eat.
Is the hamon I eat?
Of course.
Oh, really? Is that one? Oh,
Delicious than
more delicious than the hamon I eat?
no 5 copas.
For merienda. Chocolate. Where? One you're telling me before. Ay. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Uy, grabe naman the wind, Amor. Ay. No, I want now. You will put mushroom pa?
Ah, the mushroom, I forgot. Now, it's late already.
Okay, no mushroom na.